Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn modal auxiliaries. Let us begin with can. We use can to express ability. For example, I can solve this problem. Here is another example. She can speak English fluently. The word can tells us about her ability. It shows her ability to speak English. Next is should. We use should for advice, duty and suggestion. For example, you should study regularly. Here is another suggestion. You should revise your lessons every day. Should tells us what is advisable or a good idea. Now, must expresses strong obligation, necessity or compulsion. For example, students must follow the rules. Remember this sentence, you must complete your homework. Must shows that something is necessary and cannot simply be avoided. Next is may. We use may for permission and probability. For permission, we can say, may I come in, sir? May can also express probability. For example, it may rain today. Here, rain is possible, but not certain. Now, may not expresses prohibition. It means something is not permitted. For example, you may not use mobile phones during the examination. Another example is, students may not enter the laboratory without permission. It clearly tells us that the action is prohibited. Next is will. We commonly use will to express certainty about the future. For example, India will progress. Here is another example. I will help you tomorrow. The speaker is confident that this action will happen in the future. Now, would and could are often used to make polite requests. For example, could you open the window, please? Another polite request is, would you please explain this question? Notice how would makes the request more polite. Finally, might expresses possibility. It suggests something is possible but less certain. For example, it might rain tonight.